Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving the opportunity to speak today. My name is Jenny Wahdani, and I am going to talk about computer hardware. The physical computer of a computer that we can see and touch. This topic is important because hardware is the foundation of all computer system, and understanding it helps use us and maintain our device better. So let's begin. What is hardware? Computer hardware refers to the physical part of a computer system and that you can touch and see example. Atau dalam bahasa artinya komputer perangkat keras komputer adalah bagian fisik dari sistem komputer yang bisa kita lihat dan sentuh. Contohnya monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, dan hardware. Terus types of hardware atau jenis-jenis hardware. Jenis-jenis hardware ada dua. Di sini ada input device dan output device. Contoh input device adalah keyboard, mouse, dan scanner. Dan contoh untuk output device ada monitor, printer, dan speaker. Terus internal component. Internal komponen atau biasa kita sebut komponen internal. Di sini ada 4 bagian, ada CPU, RAM, hardware, dan motherboard. Di sini CPU adalah otak dari komputer, RAM adalah memori sementara saat komputer menyala, dan hardware adalah penyimpanan jangka panjang untuk file dan software. Motherboard untuk sirkuit utama yang menghubungkan semua komponen. Terus storage and device. Storage dan device. Di sini ada dua, ada HDD dan SSD. Atau HDD kita bisa sebut hard disk drive untuk menggunakan piringan berputar untuk menyimpan data. SSD atau solid state drive lebih cepat dan menggunakan memori flash tanpa bagian yang bergerak. Terus peripheral device. Di sini ada 3, input, output, dan input dan output. Perangkat eksternal adalah perangkat tambahan yang terhubung ke komputer. Di sini contohnya input keyboard, mouse, mikrofon. 2, output contohnya monitor, printer, dan speaker. Terus yang ketiga input dan output seperti flash disk dan layar sentuh. Importance of hardware. Di sini ada 4, enable software to run, terus AV computer performance, terus determines how we interact with the system. Terus 4, essential for gaming, design, productivity, and communication. Dan artinya kenapa hardware sangat penting? 1, memungkinkan software berjalan. 2, mempengaruhi kinerja komputer. 3, menentukan bagaimana kita berinteraksi dengan sistem. Terus keempat, penting untuk bermain game, desain, produktivitas, dan komunikasi. Slide ke-8 adalah conclusion atau kesimpulan. Kesimpulan di sini ada 3 kesimpulan. 1, hardware is the physical foundation of our computer. 2. It includes input, output, internal component, and storage. 3. Understanding hardware helps in troubleshooting in operating system. Di sini nomor satu adalah hardware adalah dasar fisik dari semua komputer. Nomor dua terdiri dari input, output, komponen internal, dan penyimpanan. Tiga, memahami hardware membantu saat memperbaiki atau meningkatkan sistem. To conclude, hardware plays a very important role in how computer work. From input and output device to internal component like the CPU and RAM, each part has its own function and helps the system run smoothly. I hope this presentation helped to understanding more about computer hardware. Thank you for attention and you have my question and be happy to answer them. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, thank you for being here today. My name is Jenny Wahadani and I am pleased to present to you about computer. Let's begin to discussion. 1. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that process data and performs tasks according to a set of instructions. Called programs, it operates through the input process output cycle. And next, basic function of a computer. Basic function of a computer. One, input receiving data through input device like keyboard and mice. Two, processing manipulating data using the CPU. Three, output displaying results via monitors or printers. Four, storage saving data on storage device like hard drives. Next, types of computer. The computer is divided into three parts, namely, one, analog computer, measure continuous data like temperature. Two, digital computer, process data in binary form. Three, hybrid computer, combine feature of analog and digital computer. Next, component of a computer. There are several computer components that you should know. One, hardware, physical part like CPU, RAM, and motherboard. Two, software, program, and operating system that run the hardware. Next, importance of computer. Computer are essential in various fields such as education, healthy business, and communication. They exchange productivity, they enable complex problem solving. Education provide access to vast information and learning resources through the internet, supporting research and self-learning. To healthcare, enable quick access to electronic medical record, support more accurate diagnosis, and improve the efficiency of healthy service. Three, business boost productivity through task automation, fast data processing, and efficiency that interdepartmental communication. For communication, facilitate global communication via email, video calls, and social media platforms, speeding up information exchange. Next, conclusion. Understanding the basic of computer help us at least technology effectively in our daily lives and prepare our future advancement. Next, thank you for attention and time. I hope this presentation has been informative and engaging. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.